Hey everyone, welcome to this exciting journey, where we'll explore how to add a super cool feature to your React Native apps, a bottom navigation tab bar. This nifty piece of functionality is like giving your app a compass, guiding users effortlessly between different sections, such as home, videos, and settings. Imagine your app as a book. The tab bar serves as the table of contents, allowing readers, or users in our case, to easily flip to the chapter they're interested in. Why is this so useful, you might wonder? Well, it's all about enhancing user experience. Navigation is a cornerstone of mobile app design, and a clear, intuitive navigation bar can significantly improve how users interact with your app. They won't need to backtrack or get lost searching for content. Everything is laid out right at their fingertips. Plus, integrating icons and labels makes it visually appealing and even more user-friendly. In the code we're about to dive into, we'll set up a bottom navigation tab bar in a React Native application using the React Navigation library. We'll create 3 distinct tabs: Home, Videos, and Settings, each leading to its own screen complete with a title, a hero image, and a brief description. This setup provides a template for organizing your app's content in a way that's both accessible and engaging. So whether you're building an app for the first time or looking to add polish to an existing project, mastering this component can significantly elevate your app's functionality and aesthetic. Now let's dive into the code and see how we can bring this to life. First, we import the necessary components from React, React Native, and the React Navigation library. React is the core library, providing the building blocks for our components. From React Native, we import View, Text, Style Sheet, and Image to construct our UI. The navigation container is a component from React Navigation Native that wraps around our entire navigation structure, ensuring that the navigation state is properly managed. Create Bottom Tab Navigator is a function that returns an object containing the Tab Navigator component, which we use to define our tab bar. Lastly, Icon from React Native Vector Icons/Ionicons allows us to add icons to our tabs, making them more intuitive and visually appealing. For each tab, we create a functional component: home screen, video screen, and settings screen. These components return a simple layout consisting of a title, an image, and a description. This structure is defined using view, text, and image components. The styles object at the bottom of the file provides the styling for these components, ensuring that the content is centered and aesthetically pleasing. Each screen represents a section of our app, allowing users to navigate between different content areas easily. Using Create Bottom Tab Navigator, we define our tab navigator, assigning it to the tab variable. This navigator serves as the backbone of our tab-based navigation, managing the screens associated with each tab. We then create a functional component, MyTabs, that returns the navigation container wrapping the tab navigator component. Inside Tab Navigator, we define our tabs using TabAScreen components, specifying the name and component for each tab. This setup is crucial for linking our screen components to the respective tabs in the navigation bar. In the Screen Options prop of Tab Navigator, we use a function that takes the root as an argument and returns an object configuring the appearance and behavior of the tab bar icons. Depending on the current root, determined by root.name, we dynamically set the icon name to display different icons for each tab, using focused state to change the icon style when a tab is active. This customization enhances the user experience by visually indicating which tab is currently selected. The styles constant at the bottom uses Style Sheet, create to define the styles for our app's UI. It includes styles for screen containers, screen, titles, title, images, image, and descriptions, description. These styles ensure that our content is presented in a consistent and visually appealing manner across all screens in our app. Finally, we export MyTabs, the main component containing our navigation structure. This component is imported and used in our app's entry point, typically app.js, integrating the bottom navigation tab bar into our app. By following these steps, developers can implement a user-friendly bottom navigation system in their React Native apps, improving navigation efficiency and overall user experience. As we wrap up this tutorial on implementing a bottom navigation tab bar in a React Native application, it's essential to reflect on how this component fits into the broader landscape of app development. The bottom navigation bar is more than just a navigational tool. It's a cornerstone of user interface design that significantly enhances the user experience by providing easy access to the app's main areas. Its simplicity and intuitiveness are key reasons why it's so widely used in mobile applications. In the context of web development and JavaScript technologies, the principles we've applied here, component-based architecture, reusability, and a focus on user experience, are universally valuable. React Native leveraging JavaScript allows us to create components like our tab bar that can be reused across different parts of an application, or even across different projects. This not only saves development time, but also ensures consistency in design and functionality, which are critical for maintaining the quality of the user experience. The simplicity of the code we've written today belies its power. By understanding how to construct a navigation system, developers can build more complex applications, layering features and content in a way that remains accessible to users. The skills you've learned here are foundational to web and mobile app development, providing a stepping stone to more advanced topics in React Native and beyond. This approach to coding, breaking down the process into understandable, manageable pieces, is at the heart of modern web development. It underscores the importance of writing clean, maintainable code that can grow with your application. As you continue to explore JavaScript and React Native, remember the value of reusability and simplicity. These principles not only make your code more efficient, but also enhance the collaborative nature of coding, allowing others to easily understand and build upon your work. Thanks for watching, everyone, and don't worry if you missed anything. We've added a link to the source code in the description. If you found this video to be helpful, please like and subscribe for more of the same. Your engagement helps us create content that meets your learning needs, guiding you through the exciting world of web development with JavaScript technologies. Happy coding, and see you in the next tutorial.